Who, me? I'm just a guy who writes graffiti for fun. Alright, so what up YouTube? It's your boy, Fivoe, aka the MF Cookie Cop. If you follow me on Insta, you'll know that I was supposed to be down in Tottenham yesterday painting at the V.I.P graffiti jam. But, well, graffiti jam, graffiti battle. And the winner gets a 4-day trip paid to Barcelona to go and paint at MVQ Paint and stuff like that. I was kind of looking forward to it, but as things always seem to go with me, my little dash run buddy decided to slip a disc. So yesterday I had to take him in for surgery, so couldn't go. But no, I had a piece I was gonna paint. So in the interest of showing you fine people what I would have done, we have a spot mullied. I've mapped it out. The biggest spot they had there was 12 feet, so I've got 12 feet to work with. Tried my best to not take boss out because what do you know about roller skills, bro? Roll around him, but the kick on that E might interfere, and if it does, sorry pal, but I'm gonna have to buff you all the way. So, you know, whatever. So yeah, without further ado, killer move, serious series. Let's do this.
しれず悪と戦う空思い押し寄せる敵俺は背を向けはしないヒーローならば揺るぎなき覚悟したため繰り出せ世間戦場 Go on Say say go go Justice 進行問答無用俺が立つ Just go Power There's a power アドレナリンが溢れ出すぜ There's a power 鍛えた技をぶちかませ Hero どんなに強いやつも尻尾でなきゃ嫌だ
Alright, so there you go. Killer Move series, serious punch. Yeah. So I painted that yesterday. The shadows were all over it and it looked garbage, man. Like I was full on not feeling that colour scheme or anything. The can of white had so much pressure in it that it was just wrecking everything. And I came back today, literally, to buff it and paint something else. But in the light, it actually looks alright, you know what I mean? I mean, the colours aren't brilliant, but it is what it is. I wouldn't have used those colours if I went to the bottle anyway. I would have bought some more paint while I was there, but it is what it is. I experimented, it didn't turn out too well. But, on the other hand, on a plus note, Saitama turned out pretty damn dope. Proportions are not brilliant, his head's a bit big. But, you know, it was a freestyle. Never actually painted or drawn Saitama, for that matter. So, this though, that is by far the best hand I've ever painted. So, there's a plus to it all. There's a plus to it. As long as you're learning, you're not failing. Yeah, as I should have said anyway, Saitama, aka One Punch Man, he's like, out of every character that's ever been created that I know of, he's like the only character that I'm 100% gutted I didn't come up with. It is something that I probably would have come up with, so that's why I'm gutted. But anyway, he is what he is. You know the crack, you know the crack. Comment on it, let me know what you think. I apologise for any shadows that were in the video. May look a bit cack, may not, but whatever. As always, get me at MF Crookie Cop on Instagram should you so wish, and if you like the shit, you like the shit, you love the shit, you share the shit, and if you're down for getting up, going out, trying something random and it looking kind of shit but kind of alright at the same time, I don't know, subscribe to it and flick that little dude and subscribe, click like or dislike, whichever, I don't mind, still makes my channel better. Yeah, until next time motherfuckers, P fucking soup. Cue my motherfucking music.
Well, that was lame.
Hero